The untold secret about creatine. After 50, what almost nobody is doing. Only a tiny fraction, less than 1% of people past 50 are doing this. And yet, it's not a secret potion, not a cutting-edge drug, and certainly not a fleeting fitness fad. It's creatine, but not in the way you've been told. Forget everything you think you know about supplements, powders, or gym talk. Because this one is backed by over 500 scientific studies. And still, most people in their 50s and beyond aren't taking advantage of it. Why? Because of fear, because of myths, because of decades of misinformation that have buried the truth. But today, that ends. Let's uncover what creatine truly does for your body, and why, for people over 50, it's one of the most powerful, life-changing tools available. 1. The war against muscle loss. Sarcopenia. The story begins quietly. A little stiffness here. A bit more effort carrying the groceries. That slight wobble when getting up from a chair. Most people shrug it off as just getting older. But what's really happening is something called sarcopenia, the slow, silent breakdown of muscle tissue that begins as early as your 30s. From that point, the average adult loses around 3 to 5% of muscle mass per decade. But once you cross 50, that rate can double, up to 1 or 2% every single year. By your 70s, you might be walking around with a third less strength than you had in your 40s. That's not just numbers. That's your ability to lift yourself up, to walk with confidence, to stay independent. The tragedy? Most people don't even realize it's happening until it's too late. But here's the twist. Creatine can stop that decline and even reverse it. When you take creatine, you're not just giving your muscles energy. You're triggering something deeper, an environment inside your body that becomes more anabolic, meaning it's better at building and repairing muscle tissue, even when natural hormones like testosterone and growth hormone have begun to wane. Studies show that creatine supplementation can boost muscle protein synthesis by about 30%. And when combined with resistance training, the effects are remarkable. In one landmark study, men aged 55 to 70 who used creatine while strength training gained more than twice as much lean mass as those who trained without it, in just 12 weeks. That's not a marginal improvement. That's transformation. That's strength returning. That's independence reclaimed. And here's the kicker. Older adults respond better to creatine than younger ones, because as we age, our natural stores decline and our cells become more sensitive to supplementation. It's like refilling an empty tank and finally discovering what your engine was built to do. Stronger muscles, faster recovery, improved balance, more confidence in movement. It's not vanity, it's vitality. 2. The mind connection, creatine and brain health. Most people still think creatine's job ends at the gym. They see it as a muscle supplement, but that's only half the truth. The other half is in your brain. See, while your brain weighs only about 2% of your body, it consumes roughly 20% of your body's total energy. And all that energy comes from ATP, the cellular fuel that keeps neurons firing and thoughts flowing. Creatine helps regenerate ATP, which means, in plain language, it helps your brain recharge. After 50, your brain's energy systems begin to slow. You start forgetting names, misplacing keys, walking into rooms without remembering why. These small moments, frustrating as they are, signal a gradual decline in cellular energy. But creatine, in study after study, has shown it can recharge those systems. By increasing phosphocreatine stores inside the brain, it helps cells recover faster and maintain clarity during periods of heavy thinking, stress, or fatigue. In one trial, older adults taking creatine experienced notable improvements in working memory and reduced mental fatigue within just 2 weeks. And there's more. Creatine helps regulate 2 critical neurotransmitters, serotonin and dopamine, the chemicals that influence mood, motivation, and emotional stability. This is a quiet game changer, because life after 50 can bring emotional shifts, retirement, loss, identity changes. Creatine doesn't just help your body cope, it helps your mind stay balanced and resilient. And in moments of stress or sleep deprivation, creatine shines even brighter. In controlled studies, it preserved mental performance when subjects were sleep deprived, keeping their focus sharp and decision-making clear. So yes, creatine builds muscle, but it also strengthens your mind's endurance. It keeps your inner spark alive. 3. The Metabolism Reboot. Turning back the clock. Ask anyone past 50 about metabolism, and you'll hear the same thing. I just can't eat like I used to. You move the same, train the same, yet the scale moves the wrong direction. The reason isn't willpower, it's biology. Muscle is the body's metabolic engine. It burns calories even when you're resting. So, as you lose muscle, your metabolism slows down. Creatine, however, helps reignite that engine. By preserving and rebuilding muscle mass, it keeps your metabolic rate high. In studies of adults between 45 and 60, those who combined creatine with resistance training had a 7% higher metabolic rate than those who trained without it. 7% may sound small, but over time, it's massive. It's the difference between gaining weight yearly and maintaining or losing it naturally. There's also evidence that creatine activates brown adipose tissue, the good kind of fat that burns calories to produce heat. More brown fat means your body becomes more efficient at using energy instead of storing it. And if you've noticed your blood sugar fluctuating more with age, creatine helps there too. It enhances insulin sensitivity, meaning your body uses carbs more effectively and stores less fat. The result? A leaner, more energized, more metabolically efficient body. No crash diets, no extreme workouts, just smart science working in your favor. Strength beneath the surface. Joints and bones. Aging isn't only about losing muscle, it's also about losing structure. Bones become fragile, joints ache. Movements that used to feel effortless start producing stiffness and pain. But here's where creatine again surprises everyone. Recent research shows that creatine supports osteoblasts, the cells that build new bone. In adults over 50, creatine combined with strength training increased bone density in the lumbar spine by up to 2% in just 1 year. Meanwhile, those who trained without it saw no improvement at all. And that 2%? That's not just a number, it's a shield against fractures and falls. On top of that, stronger muscles support the joints more effectively. When your surrounding muscles are powerful, they absorb impact and reduce stress on your knees, hips, and shoulders. In one study, adults with mild osteoarthritis who took creatine and performed strengthening exercises reported a 33% drop in joint pain during daily movement. Not because creatine numbs pain, but because it builds protection. Add in its possible anti-inflammatory benefits, still being explored, and you have a supplement that supports not just strength, but mobility and long-term freedom. Imagine waking up, standing tall, walking freely, and not wincing with every step. That's what creatine helps you preserve. 5. Energy, mood, and the will to live fully. Fatigue. It sneaks in slowly. You start going to bed earlier, saying no to plans, feeling tired for no reason. Many people over 50 assume that's just how life is now. But low energy isn't a given, it's a signal. Creatine fuels the very process that powers every cell in your body, ATP production. It doesn't hype you up like caffeine, it restores you from the inside out. In a clinical trial involving adults aged 45 to 65, 8 weeks of creatine supplementation reduced fatigue symptoms by over 50%. Half the tiredness, gone, half the fog, lifted. And when your energy rises, so does your outlook. Creatine has been linked to improved mood stability, helping regulate dopamine and serotonin, the same neurotransmitters affected by stress, depression, and anxiety. Participants in fatigue studies didn't just feel stronger. They reported feeling more alive, more curious, more social. They picked up old hobbies. They reconnected with friends. They started saying yes again. That's not just physical change, that's life returning to color. 6. The myths that kept millions away. For all its benefits, creatine's biggest obstacle isn't science, it's rumor. 2 myths have scared millions of people away for no good reason. Myth number 1. Creatine causes hair loss. This rumor comes from one small, outdated study on rugby players that observed a minor increase in DHT, a hormone linked to hair loss. But no actual hair loss occurred, and in the decades since, over 500 studies have found no evidence linking creatine to baldness in any group, young, old, or otherwise. Myth number 2. Creatine damages your kidneys. This one stems from confusion between creatine and creatinine, a byproduct that shows up in blood tests. Elevated creatinine doesn't mean kidney damage. It means your body is processing creatine normally. Dozens of clinical trials, even those involving older adults and people with mild diabetes, show no harm to kidney or liver function from proper creatine use. These myths have robbed people of real health improvements for years, and it's time they died for good. 7. How to use creatine safely and smartly. Even though creatine is safe, starting it after 50 requires a thoughtful approach. First, purity matters. Avoid cheap, unverified brands. Go for ones that publish third-party lab results proving the product is clean and pure. The gold standard is still creatine monohydrate. Simple, effective, affordable, and backed by science. Second, stay hydrated. Creatine pulls water into your muscles to support energy production. That's great for strength, but it also means your body needs more water. Aim to increase your intake by at least half a liter daily and watch your urine color. Light yellow to clear is the goal. Third, consult your doctor, especially if you take blood pressure meds, diuretics, or anti-inflammatories. A quick conversation and routine checkup ensure everything stays balanced. And remember, more is not better. Stick to 3 to 5 grams a day. That's all you need to keep your muscles saturated and your results steady. 8. The takeaway: power, purpose, and potential. At this point, the message is simple. Creatine isn't hype. It's not a trend. It's a tool, a proven, reliable ally for your health after 50. It helps preserve muscle, protects your bones, sharpens your mind, lifts your mood, and fuels your life with energy that doesn't fade at sunset. Most people will never know this. They'll keep buying into the myth that aging means slowing down, that strength and clarity are things of the past. But not you. Because now you know better. You understand that getting older doesn't mean losing control. It means gaining wisdom about what truly works. So, if this spoke to you, if even one part of this hit home, then it's time to take action. Don't let fear or outdated beliefs stop you. Start smart, stay consistent, and watch what happens when your body, your brain, and your energy finally get the support they've been missing all along. Because this isn't about staying young. It's about staying strong in every way that matters. If this opened your eyes, drop a like, hit subscribe, and check out the next video appearing on your screen. It breaks down the biggest creatine mistakes most people still make and how to avoid them. Because the goal isn't just to add years to your life, it's to add life to your years.